All right, remember that bowl I told you about for the water? We're going to use that right now for this step. This isn't going to be confused with another step, though. We're not going to actually use that for the actual water for the oven. We're going to use it for this part, and then we'll just, in order to conserve dishes, we'll come back to it in a bit. So I've got my yeast, I've got my warm water. A good way to do 2 cups of warm water is 1 cup of hot water, 1 cup of cold water right out of your faucet. That way it won't be too hot. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our water to our bowl. And we're going to add our yeast to our water. And now we're going to mix that up. Once I find out what I did with my whisk. Now you can use a spoon or whatever. You want to make sure you get all the yeast off the sides of the bowl. Mix this up pretty well. You want to make sure you dissolve it nicely in the water. And if the water is too hot, it will kill the yeast, which means your bread won't rise very well, if at all. And if it's too cold, it won't activate. And you can see how it's turning this weird kind of muddy, sandy color. That's the color we want it to turn. It'll also let off a pretty funky smell, but that's what yeast smells like. So making sure I get it all off the sides here. It looks like I have, yep, that's everything. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set this aside for a second, just let it bloom a little bit longer. We're going to take another bowl and we're going to split our flour and salt mixture. And I mean, it doesn't have to be an exact half, but you know, a rough eyeball. Should be about 2 cups. I mean, if you want, you can actually get the measuring cups out. I'm not going to bother. See there? Pretty much, actually, it's a little bit more than half. Let's do this. There we go. The reason you're doing half is that if you were to put all this salt and this yeast right now, even with the flour, you would kill the yeast. Also, the other thing is that this is what needs to do the first rise. When we add the flour the second time is when it does the second rise.